Good morning, children. Today I will start lesson development from economics class 10th, and the topic is what development promises to different people and different goals. So to start with this, that we should know what does development mean. Now the meaning of development is different for different people, and it is totally different with the context of the countries and the states, because different development has different aspects. If suppose I want to lead a healthy life, happy life and prosperous life, my goal will be then to get higher education and to get trained and the better opportunities for the jobs and to lead a healthy and happy life. But it may be different for the one for the others. So suppose I am living in the city where there is a traffic congestion is there, then and the government policies are there to construct the flyover in the city for commuting the people from one place to another. And if I'm a Delhi, I love that the government should go for construction of that flyover and introduction of the metros so that I can use it. It will be development goal for me. But the people where that flyover will be constructed, their people, those are living, their houses, or if there are the shops, they could be asked to evacuate. So it may not be developmental goal for those people. So here we will see some examples that is given in the book as well, that what are the developmental goals and aspirations of the people to lead their life in their own way. So first one is given here, landless rural laborers. So what will be the development goal for this person? He is a landless, he doesn't have his own land, then he is working as a laborer in the fields of the rich farmers. So his goal will be that he should be given the better wages, more number of working hours, and there should be school in the village so that he can send children to get the education. And if this person belongs to a lower class, then he wants that there should be no discrimination in the society and he should be asked to stay with other people on the basis of the equality. So next is given example, prosperous farmers from the Punjab. Means this farmer in the Punjab is a rich farmer, and what does he want? That there should be availability of the cheap and skilled laborers to work in the fields and higher minimum support prices from the government. And with that money, his children should lead a settled life. Next is farmers who depend only on rain for growing the crops. For this farmer, what will be his first goal? That government should go for construction of the canals so that he can get easily availability of the water whenever he needs. Or if he wants to go for construction or installation of a tube wells, then the government should give him the subsidy on that, as well as then the cheap supply of the electricity. So his goal will be totally different. Next, a rural women from a land owning family. That means a woman, he has a big land in the rural areas, and her goal will be that he should have a more jewelry with herself, and her children should get proper education, go to the hostel, get education, and for further then go to the cities, big cities, metro cities, and further abroad to go for higher education and lead a settled life in those country, and she may go further over there for excursion and to lead a settled life. Next, urban unemployed youth. Unemployed means he doesn't have the jobs. So his goal will be, first of all, the government should provide opportunities so that he can get the jobs or employment within the vicinity of the city or elsewhere, but his goal will be to get a job, and that is according to his own choice. Next, a boy from a rich urban family. Now this boy, he lives in the cities and belongs to a very rich family. Then his goal will be that to have a motorcycle in the class 10th, in class +1 or +2, and cars as well, and to get education in the reputed colleges of the country, and he may aspire to go abroad for the higher studies and settle in that country. A girl from a rich urban family. So now this girl also, she may also have the same goal as that a boy from a rich family, but here the girl may want more freedom to be given to her to go and to meet her friends and to dine with them in the restaurants, etc. And she may also demand that the way she is asked to do the work in the family, her brother also should be asked to do the same way. Equality as well as freedom. And Adivasis from the Narmada Valley. Now this the Adivasi people, that is Narmada Bachao Andolan, we know that with the construction of the Narmada Dam, that is, they are asked to evacuate. Now these people, what they want, their goal be that they should not be asked to evacuate from that areas, and the problem can be solved through check dams or the smaller dams. Now from these different goals of the different peoples, we can see that different persons can have different developmental goals, and what may be development for one may not be development for the others. It may even be destructive or the for the other. Unconflicted, as in the case of a girl, conflict with the brother in the urban family. Or another example is industrialist. What they want construction of a dam so that they can get a regular supply of electricity to run their industries. But whereas the dam will be constructed, people will not like to evacuate in that area, so there will be a conflict in that areas. Now if we go through all these examples, main goal or aim of the people, what is there? To earn better income everywhere, better wages, employment opportunities, and better more working hours, means they want to earn better income so that they can lead their main goal. Aspiration is to lead a healthy life and a happy life. But other than the income, there are other goals also in the life. What are those goals? That is, besides seeking more income, people also seek things like equal treatment, that is freedom in the society, and security and respect from the others, and they resent discrimination. Material goods are not all that you need to live, but the quality of our life also depends on non-material things. For example, the friendships. Means with money we cannot buy all the things, but some things which are more requirement in our life to lead a healthy life, that is pollution free environment, unadulterated medicine as well. And friendship means over here, that is means if you don't have the friends, you cannot share your all happiness and sufferings in the life. But if you get your friends, then you can share everything. That is emotional development is also there for getting the success in the life. Similarly, for development, people look at the mixture of all these goals. Means, for example, I want to get a job, and the job I am not getting in my own city, I am getting very far off areas. But to go to that city, I will seek whether my family is able to lead a healthy life in that city, or all the facilities are available to my children to get education and other facilities, recreation facilities, and payment is also, that is, my salary is very good. Along with the salary, that is job security and regularity of the job. But what happens, those things are missing in that with the higher income. But in the city elsewhere, I'm getting such all these facilities, but the income is less. So I will prefer to stay in that area or that city I will love to work, where my income is maybe less, but I'm getting all other facilities, that my job is security and safe, so that, and regular. So it will give me a sense of security to, in my mind, mental satisfaction, emotional satisfaction. So this is all development according that is required in the life. So but what does it mean development in the context of the countries and the states? What does national development mean? What is economic development? I will continue in the next video. Stay blessed. Thank you.